Hey followers, it's Luke again with B West Builds. Brandon Westfall can't join me tonight to help me videotape this, so I'm going to try to do this on my own for once and just kind of help contribute a little bit. Follow me as I do a little bit of work tonight and we'll see what happens. We're going to start off by putting the camshaft in tonight. As some of you that follow our channel know, I did go ahead and get a Howard's brand camshaft. It is not a custom grind. Part number is 222735-10, and it has a spec list of 581 lift. It has duration at 50 thousandths of 235 on the intake and 241 on the exhaust, and has a lobe separation angle of 110 degrees. I've also got a fresh set of hardware for the retainer, the thrust plate. Here is my Ford Performance camshaft thrust plate, and we're going to stick with our Ultra Slick Permatex lubrication fluid. And as you know, we're going to put it right there in Mean Green Machine engine. Okay, so I got her all lubed up and ready to go. We're going to stick it in the hole, nice and easy. This is kind of complicated since I'm just running one-handed here, but we'll see how it goes. Just kind of have to take it nice and easy. Don't bump anything. Where'd you go? Back up my hand a little bit. Oop, there we go. Alright, and that's pretty well it. Alright, had a little bit of a camshaft to bearing bind a little bit, so I fixed that off camera. I think we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put my thrust plate on. Obviously it's it's got directions already on it, and I've got my new hardware to do it. Okay, so I've got the thrust plate on. I've got the bolts lubed with the ARP lubrication film, and I've got them started just a little bit. Now coming over here, ARP says for a 1/4 inch bolt right here, 15 foot-pounds. So I'm going to take this torque wrench, I'm going to turn it on, set at 11 currently, so we're going to go up to 15. And we are going to tighten these babies down. Pretty well got it, but just so you guys can see, we're looking at this indicator. I'm going to try to do it one-handed. See how it's lighting up, getting close. We're almost to 15, really easy. Right there. Also, while we're in the neighborhood, I'm just going to go ahead and put my timing gears and chain on just to mock it up, make sure everything's going okay. There's our part number, and there is our new set of crank and cam sprockets, a nice new double roller chain, and I will go ahead and put that on there real quick. Okay, timing set is on. It's just snugged up by hand just to make sure everything's fitting right. Looks like we're almost good to go. We're going to end this for tonight because I'm kind of running out of time, and this is basically just like a mini episode. So I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you on the next episode, okay? Bye, guys.